2 of flood.
No, it's part 2.
Part 2 of flood. Okay, so we're looking over here now. It's not that. Oh,
Yep, and it got more on that grass.
yep. It's just getting bigger and bigger every time. It's not even raining right now. It's because the cars they're putting like they're driving by and they're making water from other streets come to this street. Oh, and look at that car. It's like sinking in that water.
Yep.
Sinking.
Look at the water on the side. Whoa.
You have to like be careful where you step, or like you're gonna like fall in that water. There's so much water.
If you run, it looks really scary.
Whoa, it does. Looks like it's just a river.
No, and it looks like that's
Like
where you
dirty.
jump.
This water.
And when you jump down,
Yeah.
it's just gonna be.
So we're
the
in
end of your
Kingston
life.
Street right now, and this is the roads right now.
Yeah.
It's very bad. I don't recommend going on this street. Or don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Yep. Don't go anywhere on this street, or you just might want to stay home. Don't go on any of these streets that are flooded. There's water everywhere.
Over here, you can see the road.
Yes, over here you can see the road, but like when you go more down, you can see more water.
You go more and more down.
There's so much. It's like it's going always sideways. It's going on all the roads.
It used to be here.
It used to be like over here, like it was like splashing like waves from the ocean. Just there's so much flood everywhere. I don't feel like I'm not going anywhere today. But yeah, it looks like ocean. It looks like an ocean, and it's just like, this is like the sand over here, and then that's the water.
Sand.
Yeah, this is the sand, and that's the water. Just yeah, it does. Like it's just like
Sand. It's kind of.
Well, I know what I could make.
yeah.
A little boat and put it out there, and we'll see how far it goes.
People were in their kayaks at Sheldon and Greece.
They were in their kayaks.
Yeah.
You have to be kidding me.
Here's what happened. See right there by Ray's porch? See it?
Oh,
Isn't it cute?
we're bird spotting.